Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into the latest Hyundai news that you need to know. Hyundai has issued a recall affecting certain 2025 Tucson and Santa Cruz models due to a problem that could lead to them rolling away. Yep, you heard that right, rolling away. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, this recall impacts 42,465 vehicles, including about 35,000 Tucson models and 6,900 Santa Cruz models. Stay tuned. This could be crucial if you own one of these vehicles. So, what's causing the issue? It all comes down to a wiring harness in the console that's been improperly routed. NHTSA reports that the faulty harness might touch the mechanical release for the shift lever lock. If this happens, your car could shift out of park without you even pressing the brake pedal. That's a serious safety hazard, increasing the chance of the vehicle rolling away unexpectedly. Things get interesting with how Hyundai is handling this. Hyundai isn't issuing a stop drive warning, so you don't have to panic. However, they are strongly advising owners to use their parking brake whenever they park their car. Hyundai will notify affected owners soon, instructing them to take their vehicles to a dealership for a free repair. What do you think? Too little too late, or just enough? Let me know in the comments. Speaking of repairs, it's a straightforward fix. Hyundai technicians will reroute the console extension harness away from the shift release mechanism. The best part? It's completely free, and if you've already had this issue repaired, Hyundai will reimburse you. Dealers will get notified electronically, and owner letters are expected to go out by January 19th, 2025. Don't miss out. Hit that like button and subscribe for more updates like this one. That's all for now. Drop your thoughts in the comments. How do you feel about this recall? Is Hyundai doing enough? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.